Nanda ko ituyo sa imo ba? Importante kaayo ba? Importante jud kaayo. Pero ikaw ba gutong manager?
First of all, we have any requirements that we require from our office.
Sige. Ano, hangyon ta ko ka ng 2,000 nga kuan unta kwarta?
Yes!
Okay, gamito na ko.
I'm sorry, madam. You are not answering my questions. Do you have your requirements?
Unsa may requirements po dana, ma'am?
That's it. If you're going to apply a loan here in our office, you have to bring your national ID, proof of income.
Pandamay wala man ko anak tanan oy. Gamito nun na bukay na ko ang kwarta. Anytime jud karon jud unta karon.
You have a birth certificate.
Na-apply birth certificate pero kaon naman to sa mamang.
Yes.
Dugayon.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but it's hard for us to approve your loan if you have no credentials. Just like
saon man na ko karon oy nga importante jud kaayo man ba. Importante jud ka
any ownership such as current bill of the electricity or the ownership of the motorcycle.
Stricto man puday kay din lindingan ni. So man ako ni nga stricto man puday ni kaayo ni. Kada tanan pangyayo wala jud ko ana tanan ba. Saon man lang ni karon oy?
How can we approve your loan? Yes. If you have no requirements, we need that proof.
Kada tanan jud gipangyayo nimo, pa jud ko kasabot kay Bisaya bagtunda ko, proud Bisaya man jud ko. Yung kasabutan ng English speaking oy.
Pero nay ako ang offer ni Muti.
Unsa man?
Ayun na pag-apply diri sa lending.
Unsa may ano nindot ba ang pag ko na nako buhaton.
Na makakay ko anda ika-collateral nga titulo.
Aw kana. Ya wala man nga ko ang kuan diri akong mama o papa.
Yes. Ito na lang sa ko ulam.
Oh sige. Salamat kita nga resolve jud ang problema. Salamat jud.
Basta ba na padulong?
Yes. I'm going to US now. This afternoon. Please book me the flight.
Yes.
Because I will go maybe later tonight or this afternoon. Huh? And proceed to the other transaction. This afternoon we have a client. Okay? I will call you later. Bye. Yes. Why are you here? Sitting beside my table. You are not allowed to sit here. Just clean the bathroom. Why are you sitting here? Get out. Go.
You always use the bathroom. I did not use the bathroom while you want me to clean the bathroom.
That is your obligation to clean our bathroom.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. What is your tuyo?
Yes. You kept me cleaning the bathroom. You did not give me
Go.
You did not give me.
Why you wear my suit? Why you wear my suit? This is mine. Remove. Oh no, you wear my jewelry of my wife. Get out. Remove this jewelry.
I will not clean the bathroom. You have no.
No. Get out.
Yes,
you have
no.
What is that? Excuse me, ma'am.
You have the tap for the toilet.
No. Remove this one. That is my wife jewelry. Remove.
Yes. A very cheap coat.
Okay. Remove.
Like that.
Go. Clean the bathroom. Go.
Give me my salary later.
No, later.
Give me my salary later.
No, later.
I will. What is that?
Your mouth.
I will resign.
No. Get out.
I will resign.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry for that inconvenience.
Yes.
Kasi ato, ma'am.
Daan pala yung Diyos ko nga dili lagi dito siya manager lagi kay ang manager kay lahi magutog tingog kanang kuan ba hin ba nya kuan magud kan basta.
Yes.
Duda jud ko mo ang lang ta ko sir ba nga muhang ko 2,000 lang unta kay gamitonon ako ang kwarta niya. Ang yan tanan nga requirements wala man ko ato tanan. Nya nag-English siya mo kasabot og
Ano
English.
na lang, ma'am. Namin pinapanan diri, ma'am. Yes. Kung kuhanin mo requirements dito sa munisipyo.
Sige.
Barangay clearance,
sige.
kung kayo mukhang mga requirements diri kanang titulo. Kailangan na muna.
Sige po.
Magara, ma'am. Muna niya yung requirements niya. Balik lang diri, ma'am, ha, kung okay na.
Sige. Thank you.
Pasensya na, good, ma'am, ha, sa mga sa mga kuhan.
Sige, thank you po.
Sige, ma'am, salamat.
Uy, hala. Santos lechon manok. Mupalit sa kudiribi kay paborito na ba ni sa akong mga anak?
Mga ka-foodie, ready na ba kayo sa pinakamasarap na lechong manok? Nandito na ang Santos Lechong Manok. Crispy, juicy, super sarap. Hindi to basta-basta manok. Itong manok na balik-balikan mo. Pangmalakasan ang sarap ng manok na ito. Swak sa panlasa, swak sa budget. Available flavors, original, hot and spicy. Sarap talaga sa Santos Lechon Manok. Yummy. For takeout only. Ma, yummy. Check nyo na mga pogs, madam. Tara, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, Santos Lechon Manok. Branches ng Santos Lechon Manok, Nabunturan, Mongkayo, Maragusan, ug Tagum.